everyone. I'm showing you this is honey, pure honey, still in the branch of a tree. It came from the mountain of Luang, district of Chiangrai, Thailand, northern part of this country. It's my first time to eat in this form. Usually I eat it in the form of a liquid. This is my dinner. I'm so grateful to Mother Nature. Grateful to the source of the creator of the soil. Because it came from the soil. The working bees will get something from different kinds of flowers. I do not know how they call that, but the working bees will get that from different flowers and give it to the queen bee, and the queen bee will produce the honey. What an amazing, miraculous process of nature in coming up with a very nutritious food. Eating honey, drinking honey. You have eaten already thousands and even millions of plants in the form of flower being taken by the working bee and give it to queen bee, and queen bee will produce that honey. I'm just thankful. This is my dinner. I will eat one half of this.